Yo, hey guys, Ken Perriman here, and I am back again with another product, and it's actually that guy right there. EYOUHZ, I believe is how it's pronounced. I just recently purchased that. It is a shelf that's gonna go in the back of that Jeep right there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and move to the back and literally, I hope, through this whole time, put it together while I'm recording it. Probably have to fast forward a bit because it may take a little time, but we're gonna do that. So while we do that and go to the back of the Jeep, go ahead and show you what's in the box. Okay, so here we are at the back of the Jeep, as I said. We're gonna put this in. So we're gonna start opening this up and tell you what's in the box. All right, so this thing can hold up to 350 pounds, it says. Installation, customer support, warranty process, installation instructions. Really big box for this. Continuing on, and let's take a look at this right here. So in the tools parts bin, there is this here that was inside that box in a Ziploc bag. So basically four double sets of washers, so they'll go on either side of the plate, and then either side of the plate with a lot washer probably on the nut side as opposed to this side. This will just be a washer side. But I found that this will fit into these. This is part of your Jeep toolkit. This will loosen the nuts on the bolts on my hardtop. This is where that plate will go. And then this is a 15 millimeter that I found that fits this nut here. And then lastly was the knife that I used to open up the box. So continuing on with what's inside the box. Cargo net. We'll show that later. But it comes in this bag, so you get a cargo net. You get two short plates here. And they are labeled, interestingly enough, A and B. I can see that. I'm assuming, as you can see, A. All right. A is in apple. I'm assuming this will go back over here. Ooh. Yeah. Right. Yes. It does appear to be so. Right. Yep. Okay. Ah, I see. Very nice. I see. Let's check the instructions for a quick once over. And yeah, loosen bolts. Put in A and B. Let me see. Pictures manual reference. Pictures different real object. Please check. Yeah, JK, JL. That's interesting. JL. Yeah, okay. Yep, yeah, that's what it says. Cool. So, JL, A and B. I did say that correctly. Okay, so let's get started on loosening these guys. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, y'all. They weren't in there very tight either. Pretty impressed. Whew. All right, now we're over to B, or not to B. I know. Sweet. Okay. Continuing on with the loosening of the bolts and putting on bracket B. Be careful of the metal and make sure you clear the seatbelt properly. All right, guys. So we're pretty much at the home stretch because this is going to be a bit awkward. All right. All right. This seems like this should be a two-man job, but it appears to be universal. Okay. Let's see if I can get you. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. That's going to hold every bit of 350 pounds. I have no doubt now that I've looked at this. But this rack, I mean, so just for the heck of it, here's my tools. I mean, those are good 10 pounds. And that thing is, check that out. So, this took me more time than actually putting this whole rack in, and I love the handles on this thing. This thing is super solid. And again, like I said, where's my tool bag? Right there. So I can tools down inside the bottom here. I can now pull this off. Oh, I need one more. Cool. Put that in there. Lock this in. Locked in. My tools, nothing's going nowhere. All right, guys, so I love this thing. It is beautiful. Look, and every bit of 350 pounds, this thing is going to hold. I have no concerns, honestly. I was worried when I first saw it, and I looked it up, and I was just like, I'm not sure. Is it going to do it? And yeah, it's by far going to do it. I have no qualms of me jumping in here, crawl up like a baby and fit in here, and I'd probably be fine, because I have no concern of the weight. One thing I would probably change, or maybe even request, would be kind of interesting, is maybe if the bolts and nuts were E-coated themselves. That's an easy fix though. I can go get a paint marker, you know, and paint those things black, because once they're locked in, it's never coming out. And if it is going to come out, it's going to come out once every handful of years, based on if I need this room for something much larger at some point in time. But as it stands, as it is right now, this guy is a permanent fixture within the vehicle. Guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I do appreciate your time. And I'm out.